Can I install this 4-cylinder motor and get it started up in one day? Guys, about a week or two ago, I built a 4-cylinder 2.2 Chevrolet engine that's going in a truck. I did not go to a machine shop. I did all the work up under this barn that I'm in, and I'm not sure if it's gonna run good or not, but I'm confident that it's gonna start up and run fine with no issues. Engine right here, and then it's going in this truck here. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm just prepping this motor. So I'm putting the flywheel on. Actually, I got the flywheel on. I got the rear lane seal in. I put this oil dipstick in with a new seal. Let me show you what the seal looks like. I'm guessing this is for the transmission because it came with one already. Now what I'm about to do is pour engine oil in it and prime the engine. So how I'm gonna do that is where, I don't even know what the thing is called, but this is gonna turn the camshaft and the oil pump. Really kind of like a distributor. So what I'm gonna do is put a socket and extension down here and turn the oil pump. I already figured out what size it was. I think it's 8mm. So I'm gonna put that on. Once we get it primed up, then we'll stick the intake on and we'll drop the motor down.